going on, everyone? I have decided to make a new series called Budget Mod Monday or Budget Maintenance Monday. Something along those lines. Basically, one day of the week I do a budget mod or budget maintenance to the FJ just because no one wants to spend a lot of money. Anyways, I don't know if you noticed, but holding something in my hand, which is going to be the first thing that we are showing on Budget Mod Monday. It's basically a solution to keep your rear window open while it's slamming shut when you're driving. I just decided to kind of look around the house and try to think of my own variations to do on a very, very cheap scale. Now this is an eye and hook turnbuckle because it turns, and as you turn it, it tightens and loosens. So we have this, and then we also have some PVC piping. I think this is for plumbing for water lines. It was actually originally, it was 8 feet, I think. It's pretty long. I didn't realize I cut so much. But yeah, it was like 6 feet or 8 feet for like $2 at Home Depot. The size is, I am not sure. I will post it somewhere up here, the size. But I believe it's 1/4 inch? Not sure. But anyways, this is a very, very simple design. This, to the best of my knowledge, is 5.5 inches. And this is so that you can open. This bird really does not want me to record. This is 5.5 inches from the best of my knowledge. I'll measure in a second. But this is so that you can prop the window up completely and I won't be able to slam down. Now what's good about this one is that if, let's just say, you're going to Home Depot and you're buying a long piece of wood or something that sticks out the window, you don't have to worry about when you're going on the highway going 50 miles an hour and that the air sucks in the window and slamming shut or potentially breaking when it slams onto whatever is sticking out the window. So this is that perfect solution, and it's honestly really easy to do. You just pop it on, and I made a slit where that you can easily pop it on and off. So yeah. Now the next one, I cut down the size, and I believe this is an inch. So this one also quite simple. Same idea as this one. This one props all the way open, but this one just keeps this cracked open. Now why it's only an inch is because this is the shortest amount that I can do where I can functionally use this. Depending on what type of eye turnbuckle you use will determine the length that you can actually close this shut. Now mine is limited to the end of here to end of here. So basically when you tighten this all up, it stops there. And because of that, I only have such a big opening to do. I believe you can buy this at Home Depot for about $1.50. And you can buy this whole piece that you can make to multiple and potentially just give to other FJ owners. And honestly, if you're in the DFW area and I find you at an overland meet here and you have an FJ, I'm just gonna basically cut the rest to size. And then if I see you in person and you ask for it, or maybe I'll just give it. I'll just give you one. But regardless, this project together with tax and everything, I would guess about $4. I honestly think this is the best budget mod you can do under $5 to keep your rear window open. There are a ton of other methods and manners to do this. I've seen other people where they have the clip style, they put rubber grommets and everything, all that jazz. But using these spacers with this and you tightening it all up, it works perfectly fine. It's nice and sturdy, and yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this first ever Budget Mod Monday. If you guys have any other ideas or something you want me to try out that's on a budget, I'll gladly try to figure out that solution. But make sure you stay around because I will be taking this leftover piece of plywood that I got from our previous build, and I'll be making this into a shelf. Again, stick around. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know if you have any other ideas for me to do for a video, because it's very hard to kind of think of ideas all the time, especially that's affordable, because I ain't made any money, even though I'm in real estate, but hey, I try. So, all right guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.